Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a luxurious oasis without breaking the bank? If so, keep watching to discover some amazing tips and tricks that will make your kitchen look and feel like $1,000,000. Number 1, update your lighting. Lighting is everything when it comes to creating a luxurious atmosphere in your kitchen. Consider updating your existing light fixtures for something more stylish and modern. You can also add under cabinet lighting to create a warm and inviting glow. Number 2, add a fresh coat of paint. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for your kitchen. Choose a sophisticated neutral color like white, gray, or beige to instantly elevate the look of your space. Number 3, use luxurious style hardware. Another quick and easy way to give your kitchen a luxurious makeover is by updating your cabinet hardware. Look for knobs and handles with intricate designs or unique materials, like crystal or porcelain. 4, invest in quality cookware. Cookware doesn't have to be functional, it can also be a stylish addition to your kitchen. Invest in a few high-quality pots and pans made from durable materials like stainless steel or cast iron and display them on your stovetop or hanging from a pot rack. 5, add a kitchen island. Kitchen islands are not only practical, but they can also add a touch of luxury to your kitchen. Number 6, use natural textiles. Natural textiles like marble, granite, or wood can add a touch of luxury to your kitchen. Consider adding a natural stone backsplash or a wooden cutting board to bring in these high-end materials. Number 7, declutter and organize. A clutter-free kitchen is a luxurious kitchen. Take some time to declutter and organize your space. Then use baskets, shelves, or other storage solutions to keep things neat and tidy. Number 8, add some greenery. Plants can add life and elegance to your kitchen. Choose low-maintenance plants like succulents or herbs to add a touch of greenery without the commitment. Number 9, update your kitchen curtains. Kitchen curtains are often overlooked, but they can add a touch of luxury to your space. Choose curtains made from high-quality materials like cotton or linen and pair them with decorative curtain rods for an added touch of sophistication. 10, DIY decor. Create your own decorative items like kitchen signs, wall art, or decorative jars to add a personal touch to your kitchen. This is also a great way to save money while still achieving a luxurious look. Number 11, use luxurious scented candles. Candles can instantly add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room, including your kitchen. Choose candles with relaxing scents like vanilla, lavender, or citrus to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Number 12, pay attention to details. The little things can make a big difference when it comes to creating a luxurious kitchen. Pay attention to details like cabinet trim, molding, and hardware to achieve a polished and sophisticated look. If you like this video, please leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.